This chessboard will help you square off against others around the world like a pro. Check it out. This is the Square Off Pro, the world's first rollable e-chessboard. I like the packaging, first of all. A handle. Let's open it up and see what's inside. A letter from the founders. A couple bags of pieces. And the roll-up board. That is a first. With this board, I understand you can play against AI or the computer. You can play against others around the world. And you can broadcast your games. There is the Square Off chessboard. On the side is the switch to turn it on. I've turned it on and I see these lights indicating that it is powered up. There is a USB-C cable here, so we could charge it up if we need. I understand it has about 10 or more hours per charge. Here are the pieces. Each one of these looks like it's bagged separately for protection. Has a little bit of weight to it, not much, but they look really clean. With a little patience, all the pieces are unwrapped. But what I like about that is these pieces are without scuff, very clean looking. A Get Started guide, which looks very straightforward. Download the app, power it on, which we already did, tap connect, wait until the blue connectivity LED stops flashing, and select your method of play. This is a stand for your phone. I could use a phone for this demonstration, but I decided to use an iPad instead. You'll want to connect up to a device to play with the Square Off Pro. Have the Square Off app downloaded, power it on, and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and it already connects. That was quick and easy. This blue light stopped flashing. That means it's connected. When the USB cable is connected and charging, then this will show red when it's charging, it'll show green when fully charged, and no color when it's disconnected. Also, the blue light is steady when it's connected, and flashing blue when it's not connected and it is ready. There's a third light here that indicates various states during the game, such as checkmate, invalid move, and so on. Within the app, you'll see Square Off Play, Play Online, Stream Games, and a number of other options. Within your profile, you can see your Square Off profile as well as log into chess.com or Lichess. If you want to play online, random challenge, for example, here I've chosen chess.com. I've chosen 20 minutes, and I could play now. You see a green light. Searching for an opponent. And here I'm ready to play. Now we're viewing the board. This game is happening live right now with someone in another part of the world. I'm playing as white against someone playing black. 20-minute game on chess.com. The Square Off Pro is sleek and innovative. What I like most of all is that it connects very easily with Bluetooth. Just run the app on any device or phone and you're connected. Now, I've just given you a quick overview of the features. There's a lot more you can explore, but being connected with people around the world, playing against a computer, broadcasting games, there's so much more you can do with the Square Off Pro. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.